Hi, everybody. Welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And man, I am so glad that I filmed ahead and stuff like that because I have been kind of through the ringer. I filmed my Christmas opening gift probably 2 weeks before Christmas. Thank goodness. And I had pre-filmed some other films because this girl, if there's an infection you could get after having your uterus removed, I got it. I had one infection, then I got another infection, and now finally going into my 6th week, I'm finally, knock on wood, oh please, starting to feel a little bit more like myself. I had thought this would come a little earlier, but because of all the infections and all the medications and everything else that I've been on, I have just not felt good. So I felt really good today. I went thrifting all day long, had a good time, and thought, let's get filming because I know I want to put a video up in essence now today, even though this is Friday, filming for Saturday. So I have some unbaggings for you. This is from a company that I don't have a lot from. I have just a really slim amount of bags from this company. And I don't know why. Because to me, they're kind of on the same level as Coach. But for some reason, I just never gravitate towards this company. But something showed up in my feed a while ago. I bought these over a month ago. And I just could not resist. So,
would you say resistance is futile?
I would say resistance was futile, and there's some reasoning behind it. So I ended up getting 2 bags, and the first bag I got because this color and whatever I just loved, and so I had to have it. And yeah, you'll see. So what I got. Funny because you can't tell what it is from here.
It's a bag.
This is the color cherry. And this is a little mini Boston bag.
Whoa.
From Michael Kors.
Is that a Christmas ornament?
No, but this is the color that got me going, but not exactly the bag. And you'll see what I mean in a minute. But I love these little mini Boston bags. I think they're super cute. I wanted something in this cherry color because I just thought it was phenomenal. So
that's mini. I'd hate to see small.
Here's the front, the side, their side.
Hi, everybody.
Right? There's no feet. There's a little hole.
We'll call that a slot
Pocket,
versus a hole.
Right, right. Pocket, and then
cut her some slack. It's been a while.
Right. Here's the nice smooth zip opening.
Is that gold hardware?
Yep. It's stuff full. Like, I've never opened these since I got them. So I'm just gonna pop the stuffing out. Comes with
like a turkey.
A removable. The interior looks like it's got the Michael Kors patterned. It says Michael Kors all over it on the inside. Otherwise, it's like a tan canvas. There is one slip.
Would you say it's a canvas?
Yeah, one slip pocket in the back. And this Boston bag does the nice thing where it goes past the corner, so it's easy to get your stuff in and out of. And let's take a look at the strap. Clearly, it's removable. We'll see if it's adjustable or not.
I'm gonna guess yes.
I don't know which order to have done this in, so I'm just doing it this way. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so the strap is removable and adjustable. And it's interesting. One side is the metallic, and the other side's just the regular leather. So that's interesting.
So you can wear it to matchy-match or to contrast.
Right. So I loved this red. So I had to have something in the red. And so I got this little mini bag. And let's see does it say what these are called? small duffel. Crossbody.
Oh, that clears it up.
Cherry. So I had to get the cherry. So I got this mini Boston bag. But the bag that I saw that I'm like, there's another bag. Okay, both these bags are from Michael Kors. Okay, but whatever. There is a Louis Vuitton bag that I like that I just never would pay the money for. It's a bigger, like a Speedy 30. Well, first off, I don't like the 30. I'd rather have a 25. But there is a bag, and this to me, what Michael Kors had is it scratches the itch, and for way less. Both of these were
Way less scratch?
both of these were under $200, not combined. But I mean, like, I think this one might have been right around 100. The other one was like I don't know, 30, 140. I don't know the prices anymore. I don't even know if they're on the website anymore. Price isn't on here. But when I saw this bag and I knew it would scratch the itch for the other bag, I had to get it. But then I saw the cherry color and I'm like, okay, I need the cherry, something in the cherry color too. But I don't need two bags this size because I prefer smaller bags. So I got this one. But this bag, to me, I don't know if it'll look like it in person, but it certainly looked like it on the website, was such a good duplicate's not really the right word, because this is all full of its own branding. But there is a Louis Vuitton bag that is gold like this. I know Cassie Thorpe has it. And it's a Speedy. And it's gold. And it's got their, like, fleur-de-lis or flowers or whatever all over it. And it's like this gold metallic. And I don't know why, but I really like the bag. But not enough to pay the amount of money it costs to get one. And I don't necessarily like the size. And, but this looks just like it. I mean, close enough like it that, I mean, it just hits all the boxes. I mean, it's got like some coating on it. It's got plastic on it too. So it's basically the same bag as the other one. It's got the front slot. What do we call it? Hole?
It's a slot. No, it's not a hole.
Okay.
Honey.
And then it's got the gold handles. Oh, I suppose I should show you. It's just like the other one. So this is like the Louis Vuitton mirror bags.
See, it's like reflecting off my forehead, off the bag.
And no feet. And then again, it does
feet till Brooklyn.
It's got just the one zipper, but it does go over the edges, which is fantastic. And again, it's really stuffed up. Got the little packets in it. So this one, it's basically the same. The interior's got the Michael Kors canvas, but it does have a zipper pocket in this one instead of just the slip pocket. And the strap is also clearly removable. Probably adjustable, I'm going to guess, as well.
Is it going to be two-tone like the red one?
Yeah, that is interesting. It is two-tone. So it's got the gold on the metallic on one side and a tan or beige on the other. So, but I just thought this is so much like that bag. And instead of being like $4,000, it was $100 and some dollars. So I really like it. I mean, how often are you going to carry this? I don't know that I'd carry a bag like this all the time. Okay, who am I kidding? I'll carry it for a week. I'm going to carry it for a week whenever it comes up in rotation. But it wouldn't necessarily be like something I want to spend $4,000 on and have a nice shiny bag. Like there's other bags I'd rather spend that money on. And to me, this just looks so much like it. It's just... So So I'll give you a size comparison.
It's funny that you're opening these after Christmas because they remind me of Christmas.
Yeah, I got them before Christmas, but so here's the two sizes there. And let me compare them to, here's the Coach basically equivalent. So like this is so big. So to me this is probably like in between a 25 and a 30, maybe a 28, because it's definitely smaller or bigger than a Speedy 20, I think 25. Well, and here's the Coach. I have a Speedy. Why don't I just grab that? Because that'd be too easy. Alright, maybe it is the same size as the Speedy. Here's the Speedy.
Speedy's taller.
Speedy's taller, but shorter. I mean, not as long.
Right.
And the Speedy, the damn zippers only go to the sides. I don't know why they do that. Instead of going over
all the way
edge.
around.
Right. So I'd say it's pretty comparable in size to that. Yeah, I think these get like this kind of foggy thing on them because I have to keep kind of wiping it down. And then it gets shiny again. But I just, for the price and stuff like that, I love it. Oh, and let me just compare the other ones. Here's the little boss, the mini or the small, and then here's, let me get the little Coach. So this I believe is the Rowan. And then there's a medium like size one. And then their small one is definitely smaller. So this is probably more like a 20, a Speedy 20. And then you have this just for size comparison. Boy, you know, this can look cool. Like, I could use this metallic cherry strap on this bag that has the cherries on it.
Nice.
Yeah. So, okay. All right. I think that's everything I wanted to show. I was just really excited about these. Like I said, I don't have much Michael Kors. I think I have a green bag. I have a white one, like a white, I think it's like a faux leather. It's my only white bag, and it'll probably be my only white bag. And then I have a pink bag as well. I think that's all I have for Michael Kors. And I don't know why. I mean, like, I don't know why. It's kind of almost like Kate Spade. I don't gravitate towards Kate Spade very much either. I'm a Coach girly, I guess. But these, I mean, give me a Boston bag and I'm already hooked. I have my Boston Burberry bags. I have my like Coach bags. My Speedies to me are Boston bags. I mean, I love this shape and style bag. So, and when I saw, like I said, I saw this and I thought if ever there was a dupe for that Louis Vuitton bag that I like, this ticks off all the boxes and is just such a fraction of the cost. And I even like that the MKs are embossed because it's just like that on the other bag. So that's how I was kind of deciding. I'm like, okay, do I want the big one like this in the cherries, or do I and get the gold like this? But I'm like, no, this with the embossing is just, to me it looks just like that other bag. This one didn't need it, and gives me the beautiful cherry color. So it's awesome. Does this one have a color? I don't know if it's gold or I don't know if it's said on this one. Okay, there was a tag on here. I don't know where it is now. So I'm gonna guess this is gold. But yeah, okay. So sorry I said this is all a little bit ago. I'm out of practice. Okay, I'm trying. So that's what I wanted to show you today. I have a lot of fun things coming up. I want to do what I got for Christmas. I have a couple other bags to show you. Or a couple unboxings. I have, just a lot of little things that I have to catch you up on because I did some buying while I've been off. And,
yeah, there's nothing wrong with her finger.
Right, it works perfect on the computer. So, yeah, so I got a lot of fun things coming up. But if you like this video, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both luxury and contemporary handbags, small leather goods, things like that. Whatever's my jam. Sometimes you'll see jewelry, clothes, shoes, things like that too. On Mondays, starting after the first of the year, I will be doing bag swap videos again, where I swap from my current bag into the new bag, switch out all my small leather goods as well, let you know a little bit about the bag I'm coming out of, the bag I'm going into, as well as a little bit of information about all the small leather goods. Occasionally on Thursdays, I put out a book-related video. I will be putting one out soon because I have a lot of books to show you. And these, even if books aren't your jam, I started watching some book videos because the books nowadays, they are so pretty. Like some of these special editions are just like, and show me something pretty and colorful, and a painting, a book, a bag. I'm going to be watching it. So I kind of got started, kind of re-up my loving of books, seeing these beautiful books, and now I've been buying them and reading them, so that's a bonus. But I do put out, if there's a video that comes out on a Thursday, it'll be that book related. You can find me over on Instagram at James Jam as well. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.